All right, so we're gonna take a video here, taking these oil filters off. I have a rag underneath it, but I'm gonna try something different. I took an antifreeze jug and I cut it so I can get it underneath the filter, and any oil will go into the jug, keep it kind of neat. So let's see how that works out. I do have a tray here to put the filter in, and hopefully it works. I'm trying to see if I can set this up in some way that you can see. I don't see how to do that with this, so all right, let's see. Okay, rag back up there. Sorry for the terrible movement around in this. Alright, so I got my little thing under there. Let's see what happens. So far, no oil has flown out of it. Oh shit. Oh. There, take your phone. Shit. Ah, fuck. Oh, you can cancel that video.